Oh wow, that's the one. It's beautiful. ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਝਾੜੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਫਿਰਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ uncomfortable feel ਹੋਇਆ but it's bush, nobody here. I was alone here last night and ਘੁੰਮੋ ਫਿਰੋ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਨਿਊਜ਼ੀਲੈਂਡ ਹੈ Oh, 7 o'clock. Good morning everyone. Sat Sri Akal sarean nu ki haal hai ji? So today I'm here at Korangahaki Gorge. It's a haven. Man, it's a beautiful place. And bahut hi soni jagah wa. And last night I went to sleep here in my van and in the bush. And it's very peaceful area here. And I had a nice sleep. Bahut hi soni neend aayi mainu. And I can hear the sound of waterfall. And I already seen some videos and photos of the waterfall, and it's a very beautiful waterfall. I will show you the waterfall in this video. Please watch my video till end. And yeah, and it's a very beautiful place, and I feel now, you know what I feel like I wake up in paradise. It's a very beautiful view outside. I will show you. And yeah, and last night I heard some noises. Could be animal, like could be pig, could be possum, yeah, anything. Yeah, ਰਾਤ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਵਾਜ਼ਾਂ ਸੁਣਾਈ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਝਾੜੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਫਿਰਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ uncomfortable feel ਹੋਇਆ but it's all right. New Zealand country is very safe country. We don't have any dangerous animal in the bush, and plus people are very nice in New Zealand. So anyway, in this video I'm gonna show you waterfall, and then after that I'm going to Thames-Coromandel and watch my whole video and watch my next videos, incoming videos, because I will show you. मैं तनु जर्नी दिखाऊंगा Thames-Coromandel ਜਦੋਂ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਵਿਊ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਵਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸਾਰਾ ਰਾਹ ਸਮੁੰਦਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਓਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਪਾਸੇ ਓਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਐਂਡ ਇੱਕ ਪਾਸੇ ਪਹਾੜ ਆ and it's beautiful views, beautiful road when you go to Coromandel Thames, and you can see some very good views. So yeah, let's go outside. I will show you where I sleep last night. Look at this beautiful greenery, nice big trees, and it's a bush, nobody here. I was alone here last night, and so yeah, let's go. I'm going to see the waterfall now. Oh, I found it, ਲੱਭ ਲਿਆ. That's the one. ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਵਾ. Man, that's the beautiful. Look like a big waterfall. I can hear sound of waterfall. Oh, amazing. Oh wow, that's the one. It's beautiful. Man, ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਯਾਰ. ਵੇਖ ਕੇ ਥਕਾਵਟ ਲੱਥ ਗਈ ਹੈ. It's a paradise. It's a heaven. Look at this beauty of Mother Nature. Oh man. Really, New Zealand is very beautiful country. Actually, whole earth is very beautiful. The Mother Earth is beautiful. But if you live in New Zealand, ਜੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੀਰ ਭਰਾ ਨਿਊਜ਼ੀਲੈਂਡ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ, ਮੇਰੀਆਂ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਜਾਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਨਿਊਜ਼ੀਲੈਂਡ ਆਉਣਾ ਵਾ, ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਵੇਖੋ, ਨਿਊਜ਼ੀਲੈਂਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਘੁੰਮੋ ਫਿਰੋ, ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਨਿਊਜ਼ੀਲੈਂਡ ਹੈ। Man, it's 7 o'clock. I need a shower. I should have a shower here. So beautiful. Man, I wish to stay here whole day, but I can't. Look at this, pure water, clean water. Man, मैं इत्थे सारा दिन रहना चाहता, पर मैं जाना वा Thames-Coromandel नू। I will come back tomorrow. Today I have to go Thames-Coromandel. I can't stay here for a whole day. I will come back tomorrow. Man, I wanna sit here and I can feel some different kind of feeling, but I can't explain. It's very peaceful. बहुत ही peaceful जगह वा, मैं तानू explain नहीं कर सकता। Stress दूर हो गई है सारी। I can sit here whole day like that, but nah. So see you in new video somewhere else. I'm going to Thames-Coromandel. I will make some new videos. So see you in next video. And please subscribe my channel if you want to see beautiful places in New Zealand.